I have never in my 115 storms showed you something like this, where we had a Hurricane Helene and now Milton, where the debris from Helene was brought out into the front yards. Okay, we're over here in Punta Gorda Isles now, and obviously was lifted and then just kind of spread out once again over these areas. Now, this isn't as bad as I thought it would be in terms of spread out. I thought you'd have a big pile in the middle or wherever the low point was. In other words, you know, his stuff would be over here on this area. But either way, I mean, just look at this. So it's almost like now it's got to be a cleanup after a cleanup. I want to thank Punta Gorda Fire for getting us over here. They were nice enough to say, and hey, Jim, we could take you over to a spot where we actually had debris and flooding. I wanted to show you something. If you look at where the water line was, it was just below that window, probably a bathroom, and then this living room window here was above it. So there was easily house water again for the second time in 2.5 weeks. But notice the brick is wet and where the brick is dry, kind of below the 3123 sign. So you can see how high the water got. Plus, older construction, right, down low, newer construction built up on higher. So we're building higher with newer construction, and obviously we have to continue to do that, or we're going to flood again and again and again. But something like I've never seen here, guys, with the debris out here from one hurricane, flooded again from yet another hurricane.